Hi everyone, this is Dave from Box Score Breaks. Tonight I'm going to be breaking two boxes of the brand new 2015-16 Panini Gold Standard Basketball. Each box comes with one pack. There are 6 cards per pack, and which includes 3 base cards, a parallel, and 3 hits. So those are actually 7 cards per pack. First pack. We've got Jordan Clarkson, parallel number to 79. Al-Farouq Aminu, base number to 299. All the base are numbered to 299. Drew Holiday, base number to 299. Russell Westbrook, variation number to 299. Got good as gold, Danilo Gallinari, numbered, it's hard to read, 98 out of 99. Got a rookie, Jarrell Martin, numbered 136 out of 149 for the Memphis Grizzlies. And a 14-karat Gary Harris auto, numbered 68 out of 99. Okay, that's for box 1. Box 2. Alright, got a Terrence Jones, base parallel, number to 79. Derrick Rose, base, number to 299. Marcus Smart, base, number to 299. And James Harden, base, number to 299. Our first hit is a Michael Cooper Gold Strike auto for the Lakers, numbered 60 of 99. Next hit, Montrezl Harrell patch on-card auto, numbered 5 of 25. And our last hit, a Golden Graphs Dennis Schrader auto for the Atlanta Hawks, numbered 64 out of 75. So just a quick recap of the hits from the two boxes. Dennis Schrader, Montrezl Harrell, Michael Cooper. From the first box, Gary Harris, Jarrell Martin, Danilo Gallinari, and the Russell Westbrook variation. Not the best of the two breaks, but you know, when you're dealing with the high-end products, those are the chances you take. Anyway, if you want to continue to follow my breaks, you can follow me on Twitter at BoxScoreBreaks. My eBay ID is sportscard_market. All of these cards will be listed there. If you're interested in anything at all, feel free to send me an email at boxscorebreaks@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.